Happy morning, children. Today we are going to see chapter 1, lines and rays. In this chapter we are going to see new concept, length and breadth. Let me start. Do you know what is line segment? Line segment means a line which has starting point and ending point is called line segment. We are going to see line segment in this page. Can anyone say what shape is given? Yes, rectangle. Some shapes are given in the table. Fill in the table with the name of the shape. Measure all the line segments of the given shapes and write their length. Here you have to find the name of the shape. Name of the shape is rectangle, but we have defined the letters A, B, C, D at each vertex point. Here we have to name the shape of the rectangle, which should start from vertex of any point. I have started with A, so I got the name as A, B, C, D. You can go by clockwise or anti-clockwise. Another name I have written down. It starts from the vertex D. D, C, B, A is the another name of the rectangle. There are many possibilities for writing the name of the rectangle shape. You can start with C vertex or D vertex or B vertex. It's your choice. You can give many names for the shape by starting with different vertex point. Now, I am going to find the line segment and measure the length and breadth of the line segment. Listen carefully. What is line segment here? Shall I say A, B is one of the line segment. A, D is another line segment. B, C is another line segment. D, C is another line segment. Line segment means which has a starting point and an ending point. Am I clear? Now you have to use the ruler to measure the length of the line segment. What is meant by length? Length means the size of the longer line segment. In the shape, which two line segments are longer? AB and DC are longer. The ruler's starting point 0 cm lies on vertex A and ends with vertex B of 4 cm. Look at the scale carefully, 0 to 4. We got the length of the line segment. So, the length of the line segment AB is 4 cm. Am I clear? Which starts from vertex A and ends with vertex B. The ruler's value starts at 0 and ends at the vertex point B with the value 4. So, the length of the line segment AB is 4 cm. Write the answer of the first question. Line segment dash is dash centimeter. You have to write the answer as line segment AB is 4 cm. Okay. Now you have to measure the breadth. What is breadth? Breadth means the size of the shorter line segment. Here the longer line segments are AB and DC and the shorter line segments are AD and BC. Now I am going to measure the line segment BC starts with vertex B and ends with vertex C, we got the value as 0 to 3. Look at the scale. It starts with 0 and ends with 3. Therefore, the breadth of the line segment BC is 3 centimeter. The answer for the second question is line segment BC is 3 centimeter. Always you have to write the measurement value in the given shape. AB is 4 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter. AB is length, BC is breadth. Am I clear? Measure the breadth and length of the other two sides. Which is length and which is breadth of the other two sides? CD is the longer line segment, so it is called length, and AD is the shorter line segment, so it is called breadth. Now measure the line segment DC. This is your third question. Line segment DC is dash centimeter. Use the ruler to measure the length of the line segment CD or DC. You can name it as DC or CD. Okay. Now start with C. The ruler should lies on C with 0 centimeter and ends with D with 4 centimeter. So the length of the line segment CD or DC is 4 centimeter. Write the value as 4 centimeter in the third question. Line segment dash is dash centimeter. You have to write the answer as line segment DC is 4 centimeter. Now measure the breadth of the line segment AD or DA using the ruler. In ruler, the value 0 starts with D and ends with 3 centimeter. So the breadth of the line segment DA or AD is 3 centimeter. Am I clear to you, children? Here AD and CB lies in the same direction with proper distance. Similarly, the line segment DC and AB are in the same direction with proper distance. Hope you all are clear with length and breadth. Look at the next page. A few shapes are given in the table. Complete the table by measuring their lengths and breadths. Below the question, some shapes are given. You have to write the name of the shape and measure the lengths and breadths of the shapes. What is the name of the first shape? ABCD. You have to find the length now. Shall we do it again? By using the ruler, you have to measure the length and breadth of the shape ABCD. Now take the ruler and start with line segment AB. You know what is line segment? Line segment means which has starting and ending point. Here A is the starting point and B is the ending point. The ruler's value 0 centimeter should start at vertex A and ends with vertex B of 5 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the line segment AB is 5 centimeter. What is the length of the line segment DC or CD? As same, as AB because AB and DC are parallel. Both are in the same direction. AB and DC are in the same direction with proper distance. So you got the same answer for the line segment DC whose length is 5 cm. Now measure the breadth of the line segment AD and BC. You have to find any one's line segment right now. Start with AD. You have to find the breadth. Here the starting point lies on D. That means the ruler's value 0 cm lies on vertex D and ends with vertex A with 3 cm. Am I clear? Starts with vertex D and ends with vertex A with 3 cm. As same as BC is parallel to AD. So both lines are parallel. We get the same breadth for BC. You have to do the remaining shapes by yourself as a homework. In next page also you have 2 shapes. You have to find the length and breadth of the line segments which are given. Hope you all are understood about length and breadth. If you want to see more videos, subscribe the channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch mathematics videos. Thank you children.